online, not for purchase, just to look at. But now you guys get to see it live. My favorite are the makeup brushes in the back. You can say you took a sword to the face every day for this.
Oh, those are cool.
And the book that is directly behind the eyelash palette is how the entire eyelash palette does close up, nice and condensed for you. We have 4 new lipsticks that came out with this set, one for each of the houses and even one for the White Walkers because they're kind of people too.
So cool.
So this will be released online April 14th, which is a very fitting day, obviously, for those of you who watch Game of Thrones.
Oh yeah.
And it'll be released in stores May 2nd.
White Walker.
I don't know about you guys, my Christmas shopping is now done.
Will it be on Sephora?
We also give you guys your custom